Welcome back, everyone. On the road again. Just out for a little joyride while the weather's nice. Today I thought I would share some of the goals I have for myself as a rider. I've mentioned many times in the last few videos that I consider myself a beginner, and I am practicing trying to get better and more comfortable on two wheels. And you may have seen some of those videos that I've done where I'm practicing cornering or the slow speed maneuvers just in a parking lot. But beyond that, some of the goals I have. First of all, I guess we'll get the kind of the fun one out of the way first. I would like to get comfortable enough and learn how to wheelie, because I know this bike will do it, and that's something I've always wanted to be able to do on a motorcycle. So that's my first goal. And my second goal, I would like to do a track day. Again, part of that, learning the bike, getting more comfortable on two wheels. I think track day would be very beneficial for that. Unfortunately, I don't have access to a track very close to me. There's one, the closest one's about 2.5 hours away, and it's not that much of a track. It's probably about the width of a single lane here on a normal 2-lane road, and it's only open like one day on the weekend during the summer when the guy who owns it feels like opening the place up. So I don't know if I'll be getting to a track anytime in the near future, but down the road hopefully I can do that. And yeah, to take a beginner track day course and learn from people who know what they're doing and try to get some good habits built. But you never know, we'll see. Keep an eye out. If I do, if I end up going to a track, I will definitely try to document that. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, while I'm on that topic, if you don't mind, do me a favor and subscribe, like the video, check out my channel for some other stuff. I'm new to this whole YouTube game, but just trying to make stuff that's fun, entertaining, nothing too serious, just out here having fun on a bike. And you can watch me fail at some pretty basic things. So if you find that entertaining, I'm your guy. And then my third goal for riding is I would like to do a long trip. I don't know if that will be, it probably won't be this year. And by long trip I mean like, more than one day's travel away from home. So not just driving out a couple hours to go to a scenic route or something. I want to do like a multi-day, many miles kind of long haul trip. So keep an eye out for that. Probably, maybe next summer. Probably won't be this year. And yeah, I don't know if this is the bike for that. I could definitely get a tail bag, a tank bag, wear a backpack, all that. I could probably find some saddlebags as well, but I don't know if I want to put those on this bike. I would also need some kind of better wind protection if I wanted to be on this thing for that long. But we'll see. So yeah, that's gonna cover it for today. Those are my couple of goals that I have for myself. So if you're following along with my progress, expect to see some of that stuff down the road. And yeah, I look forward to showing my journey with everyone. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.